The direct link between your business and your customer is gone. Today, their online request is increasingly intercepted by a machine. Digital marketing used to rely on a straightforward transaction. You optimized a web page for specific keywords, a human typed those words into a search bar, and you won their click. We are now operating in the agentic web. Instead of humans browsing search results, AI assistants act as proxies. These tools crawl the internet, summarize the findings, and make recommendations or even purchases directly on the user's behalf. This chart shows AI crawler volume exploding. Research recorded 68.9 million visits in a single month, and those crawls translate directly into user diversion. Referral traffic from large language models jumped nearly 73%. Trying to trick an algorithm with keyword stuffing no longer works. If you rely on a slow, poorly organized website, these new gatekeepers simply cannot read your business logic, rendering you invisible to the machines making the decisions. To survive, businesses must restructure how they present information. Platforms like Microsoft's AI Max are pushing ad campaigns directly into AI-driven experiences, meaning you have to organize your data specifically for machine comprehension first. This requires strict adherence to structured data, a standardized format that neatly classifies page content behind the scenes. AI systems aggressively prioritize deep, easily crawlable facts like clear pricing, specific location details, and comprehensive FAQs over generic long-form blog posts. Build intent-matched landing pages. Instead of a single cluttered homepage, create multiple targeted entry points. Map out specific pages for exact queries. An AI looking for a competitor alternative gets a page meticulously tailored to those criteria, with proof and a clear call to action. This levels the playing field. Small businesses can outperform massive national brands by maintaining cleaner local signals and more logical business data for an AI to retrieve. But organizing your data for AI is entirely different from letting AI run your creative strategy. Surrendering your actual marketing execution to these systems introduces immediate risks to your brand identity. Advertisers are already seeing platforms like Meta use AI to automatically alter creative assets. Real products are receiving unwanted tweaks and visual distortions without explicit permission, forcing companies to actively opt out to protect their accuracy. Industry strategists call this the sameness trap. Because generative AI is trained on average data, using predictable prompts to write your copy or design your ads inevitably produces entirely predictable, indistinguishable ideas. Relying exclusively on AI to generate your outward-facing marketing achieves speed at the cost of character. It flattens your business into a commodity, stripping away the unique differentiation required to actually persuade a buyer. Thriving in a search environment controlled by AI requires a dual approach. You need flawless, machine-readable data infrastructure on the back end, paired with an intensely specific, human perspective on the front end. Lone Fox, a home design brand, built its entire business this way. Long before they sold a single product, the founder spent years building a dedicated audience around DIY projects and room makeovers. They bypassed algorithm guesswork by cultivating a real community. They listened closely to the exact items their viewers repeatedly asked for and shaped their initial offers strictly around that documented human demand. Instead of sticking with easily copied wholesale goods, Lone Fox transitioned to sourcing one-of-a-kind vintage pieces no competitor or AI could replicate. Shopify reports this shift to unique inventory more than doubled the company's revenue, paving the way for physical retail expansion. To avoid looking like everyone else, you have to feed AI systems with highly specific inputs. Use actual customer sales objections, local context, and deep owner expertise so the final output sounds like your actual business, not the entire internet. The digital landscape has permanently split in two. Your technical infrastructure must be perfectly structured to feed the machines, but your actual offers, your content, and your perspective must remain fiercely human.